Trading crypto is the quickest way to fill up your wallet with a simple core principle of buy low and sell high. Doubling your money can happen quicker than Usain Bolt running 100 meters. Sounds exciting, right? But almost every beginner jumps into crypto trading without a plan and they lose everything. So how do you actually trade crypto the right way? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand the meme coin hype, futures trading, and bots that claim to trade for you. Let's start with meme coins, the wildest part of crypto. Meme coins have been making waves for quite a while now. Dogecoin and Pepe are coins born from internet jokes that turned regular Joes into overnight millionaires. But here's what they don't tell you. Most people buy at the top and sell at the bottom. So, how do you avoid that trap? Let's start with the basics. Before jumping into the meme coin madness, you need to load up some Solana in your wallet, because most new meme coins launch on the Solana blockchain. It's fast, cheap, and where the hype is right now. Once you have Solana, you'll need to transfer it to a trading platform. There are plenty of platforms to choose from. However, I recommend you start with NeoBullX, a simple and beginner-friendly platform. New coins pop up every second, but you don't want to trade every single one. That's a guaranteed sprint to renting a tent under the bridge. On BullX, you can research the coins, check if they have a legitimate website or followers on their platform. The available tools also provide you with information such as the number of snipers, top 10 holders, and many more critical info to help your research. However, relying just on these informations isn't a guaranteed win, but it will help you distinguish the biggest scams. Meme coins are brutal, so the idea of being a lone soldier, a Rambo in meme coin trading, that's a doomed mission, because you're not just trading against other individuals, you're competing against entire teams who coordinate buys and sells. If you don't have a team of friends to crush the market with, you're at a disadvantage. That's why I highly recommend you join a community like Potion Alpha, a Discord community where thousands of active traders share insights, track new coin launches, and push in the same direction of making big profits. With powerful tools, live research, and like-minded traders all working together, Potion Alpha is your golden egg in the meme coin world. I'll drop a link in the description so you can see for yourself. Now that you know how to enter the game without getting wrecked, what if you want even bigger gains? Now that's where futures trading comes in. Futures trading is crypto's wildest roller coaster, a turbocharged way to play the market. So what is it? Imagine you're at a racetrack, but instead of betting on horses, you're betting on Bitcoin or Ethereum's price, up or down, without ever owning the coin. It's a contract, a deal you strike on an exchange like Bybit, saying,
"I think the price is going down and I'm putting my money on it."
Sounds simple, right? Well, here's where things get juicy and dangerous. Futures trading has a secret weapon called leverage. Picture this. I've got $100, but with 10 times leverage, I'm controlling $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin climbs 5%, I don't just make $5, I gain 50. That's a 50% return on my $100 in minutes. Crazy, right? But hold up, this ride's got a trapdoor. Leverage is a double-edged sword. If Bitcoin drops 10%, you don't just lose $100, you're wiped out. That's the catch. Exchanges set a margin, a safety net of cash you need to keep your position alive. Dip below it, game over. Your trade is liquidated, and your stack turns into dust. Most traders burn through their money fast because they go all in without a strategy. But here's how to avoid the rookie mistakes. Think of a stop-loss order like an emergency brake on a roller coaster. A stop-loss automatically closes your trade when the price reaches a certain level, preventing huge losses. Always place a stop-loss before entering a trade. It's like putting on a seatbelt before hitting the gas. New traders make one big mistake, betting everything on one trade. And it's a fast track to the tent under the bridge. A smart trader only risks 1 or 2% per trade, because even if you lose multiple trades in a row, you still have capital left to recover. Play the long game. Protect your money so you can keep trading tomorrow. Leverage is tempting, but the higher the leverage, the faster you can lose everything. If you use 50x leverage, a 2% price drop can wipe out your entire position. So start safe with 2x or 3x leverage. Would you jump into a high-speed race without practice? Probably not. That's why you should test your trading strategies in a demo account first. Most platforms, like Bybit, offer demo trading. Use it to practice without risking real money. You can test your stop-loss placements, leverage levels in a risk-free environment. So now you know how to multiply your gains without getting liquidated. But what if you don't have time to trade manually? That's where trading bots comes in. Now you've probably seen ads for crypto trading bots that promise guaranteed profits while you sleep. But do they actually work? Well, yes and no. Let's imagine for a moment that you're asleep, watching a movie, or even on vacation, and your trades are still running, executing perfectly timed buys and sells without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Welcome to bot trading, where algorithms trade the market for you based on preset strategies. But before you think this is easy money, let's break down how bot trading really works to execute trades based on specific rules and strategies. Bot trading uses automated programs, and it's widely used by professionals to maximize profits 24/7. Let's say Bitcoin drops to $80,000 and you want to buy, but only if it starts bouncing back up. Instead of watching charts all day, a trading bot can execute that order automatically once conditions are met. No emotions, no second guessing, just fast, precise execution. Most trading bots follow a strategy that can be customized based on how you want to trade. The three main types are grid bots. They are perfect for sideways markets. They buy low and sell high automatically, making small but consistent profits. Then we have the DCA bots. Great for long-term investors. These bots buy at regular intervals to average your entry price. And last but not least, the scalping bots. These bots place multiple trades per minute, profiting from tiny price fluctuations. High risk, but high reward. With the right bot, you can profit in both bull and bear markets. We love bot trading because unlike us, they never sleep and stick to the strategy without emotions leading to panic selling and the FOMO. However, if your bot isn't configured properly, it can wreck your portfolio. If you're ready to explore bot trading, I advise you to use a beginner-friendly and legitimate platform like Pionex, to which I'll drop a link in the description. And that is the blueprint to start trading crypto the right way. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading guides. Comment below. What's the biggest mistake you've made in crypto? Let's learn from each other. See you in the next one.